Okay, so we're continuing looking at multiplying a mixed number by a whole number. But today, our answer is going to go beyond the whole. Okay, what that means is, obviously we've got our mixed number here and our whole number there, but our answers are going to go beyond what 2 times 4 is. Okay, so if I start off with showing you. So remember we had the two methods yesterday. We have again those same two methods. So I'll show you both of them, and then you choose whichever you prefer, which is easiest for you. All right. So I'm going to start off by doing 2 times 4. I'm going to take the whole part, the whole number part from my mixed fraction, and multiply it by our multiplier, the 4. Okay. So we've got 2 times 4. Okay, and then our times tables we know, 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, so same as yesterday, that part. So the next row, multiplying the fraction, building all on this week's work. We know about multiplying fractions now, we're getting used to it. So multiplying a fraction by a whole number, you only multiply the numerator. So we've got a 4 there and a 4 there. And our denominator stays the same. Okay, so 4 times 4s, 4 4s, square number. Our answer is 16. Okay, so automatically you should notice something. I join my pair of eyes. What's going on there? Wow, we've got a top-heavy fraction, haven't we? We've got an improper fraction. You can't put that just next to the 8. Yeah, you can't have a mixed number that has an improper fraction in it. Okay, so we now need to break that back down into a mixed number. Okay, we'll simplify it. So we've got 16 over 6's. So if we do a 6 times table quickly, so 6, 12, 18. Yeah, I've got 16, so I don't need to go any further, do I? So 16, 6 goes into 16 once, twice, and so 2 6s are 12, and then we've got 13, 14, 15, 16. So we've got 4 as our remainder. Okay, so we've got 2 and 4 6 there. So we add these two together. If I move my eyes out of the way for now. Add those together, 8, add 2, and 4 6's. So 8 add 2 is 10, and 4 6's. Okay, so that's that first method. And then the second method, if I split my board down, do you remember? Let's try a different colour this time. So we've still got 2 and 4 6 times 4. Okay. So the way to check, we're hopefully going to get the same number. So what we're going to do, like last week, we're going to convert this into an improper fraction. Okay. So using MAD, we're going to multiply it, then add these bits and put it back over its original denominator. MAD, that acronym. So 2 wholes, so 2 times 6 is 12. If I just pop that up there, 12. So that's 2 times 6. Then we add the 4. So 12 add 4 is 16. Okay, and then over our original denominator. Okay, so 2 and 4 6 is also 16 6. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that by 4. And this is where some of you might decide you prefer this method because you're not working in such larger numbers multiplying. Okay, but I'll show you any way because some of you quite like this way. So we're going to do 16 times 4. Okay, now you could do that various ways. You could write out 16 4 times, add 16 4 times. You could do it in a short multiplication, 16 times 4. Okay, or you might do it mentally. You might know 4 times 10, and then add 4 times 6. Okay, I'm going to show you this way, just a quick reminder how to do column multiplication. So we've got 4 times the 6, okay, which is our, our 6 times table. We'll run out of room. Let's do it down here. 4 times 6, so we've got 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay. So 4 times 6 is 24. So our 4 goes in there and we carry the 10s, just the 20 part. Yeah, the 2 gets carried there. And then we do 4 times 1, okay, which is 4. But we need to remember to add this. So 4 times 1 is 4, add the 2, 64. Okay. So now we've got 64 6. So some of you might be saying why this gets a bit more confusing if you're not sure. So we've got 64, and we're going to divide it by 6. Okay, so 6 is into 6, go once. 6 is into 4, don't go, do they? Yeah, it's 10. But then we've got a remainder of 4. Okay, and 4. And oh look, 10 and 4, 6. Our remainder there. 10 and 4, 6. Okay, so I think this way can become a bit more complicated, but like I say, some of you will prefer doing that, and that's absolutely fine. You've got to the same answer. Let's use my red pen. Got to the same answer here as here. Okay, so good luck with those tasks again today. The thing to remember, obviously, is when you're doing this method, make sure you add on, yeah, a whole number. Okay, here we had 8, yeah, then we did 4 6 times 4, made 16 6, so we needed to convert it back to a mixed number, but that needs to be added on accurately. Okay, so good luck today.